Okay, first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video, Mario. As I said, I would send you over a short video showing what you could do online to increase your exposure and your business. Again, my name is Jeff. My company is Belanger Solutions. So there are three key factors necessary for a well-built website and exposure on Google: content, backlinks, and citations. Now, first, understand every time you type or anytime anybody types into Google search engine right here, these are keywords. And Google uses these keywords to look for websites that best fit the search criteria, search engine optimization, SEO. So whatever website has the correct content and the correct keywords for the search will generate the review. Now you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords. So when you type in plumber, Andrew, North Carolina, I know you don't have a website, so you're not showing up, but I wanted to explain how this works. So of course we have ads, we have Google ads that are here, and then we have the map section or the map pack. To rank in the map pack and to be here, it is directly related to your Google Business Profile and citations. Citations is anything with name, address, and phone number that reflects your Google Business Profile. Citations can be Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, so on and so forth. And along with the service area that you will cover for your business, is how people will find you. The more service area you cover, the greater your exposure from Anger to Fuquay to Clayton to Cary. If somebody types in plumber, Cary near me, you would show up in the map with the correct amount of citations reflecting your Google Business Profile. Underneath that is the organic rank structure. Everything under the map is organic. Aside from Angie and Yelp, these are advertisements, Yellow Pages with extensions again. Better Business Bureau with extensions. Now you want to organically rank. So when you keep coming down, again, extension, extension. Now you get down here to number 7, this JC Wilkinson Plumbing. He's organically ranking here without any help from anybody else or any other extension or advertising as far as Angie or Yellow Pages or anything. He's ranking here organically with what's in his webpage. So when I plug him in up here, I can see JC Wilkins. This is his website. I have a tool I can use. It's called Ahrefs. It shows me what's going on behind the scenes in his website. Now I spoke backlinks. Backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another website. Google uses that to build trust. That is it's a major ranking factor, backlinks. From those backlinks, he has 25 domains connected directly. And when it comes to content and keywords, he has 112 keywords within his website that generate traffic for him. Now, keywords are, let's take a look. This is per month. So 70 times per month, this particular keyword, for an example, Wilkins Plumbing. So plumbing supply Cary 30 times. New construction plumbers near me 350 times. Raleigh Plumbing Company 30 times. Plumbing Company Raleigh, North Carolina 70. Plumbing Jobs 50. Let's see, tankless water heaters Raleigh 30. Plumbing Companies Durham 100. Commercial plumbing supplies Raleigh again. Plumbing contractors Raleigh. Tankless water heaters again. Plumbing Raleigh 1,000 times a month. So when you add this up all together, combined total, that is the exposure that you'll get with the right content and keywords in your website when somebody is typing in, and then Google is looking for the website that has the most relevant content and keywords that you're asking for. That is how you establish rank. When Google starts to trust you and you start to show that you, what's the word that I'm looking for? I lost my train of thought, I suppose. But yes, the more content, the more keywords, the more authority. You'll become an authority of your business. Google sees that, and it sees the backlinks that you have, and it moves you to the front and starts your rank structure. Now, for example, I wanted to show you something real quick. It's off the side. This plumbing Andrew, he's here in 5, but he's with extensions. If you strip away all his extensions, like these extensions for these companies, this is his website. If you put him in the same tool, he has no power. So it pays to own your own, not rely on another company that may or may not fall through, and now you're left with no strength behind your website. So just because they are ranking there is because they're through extensions does not necessarily mean they are strong. When you break down their website alone, there's nothing there. This particular man owns his own and just needs to make changes to continue to rank himself up. Excuse me. Just like for you, you do not have a website, and that is completely fine. You can have the same backlinks that he has and then some. He has 172, you want 250. He has 25 domains, you want 35. He has 112 keywords, you want 250. The greater your exposure will be, the more Google will find you, position you into the first page as an authority, as somebody who's being referenced and endorsed by other websites and backlinks, and rank you in the position you need to be to expose yourself to more traffic, generate more leads, and increase more sales. With that being said, I hope you understand a little bit more about how that works. I appreciate you taking the time to look at this. If there was anything that you wanted to do, if you wanted to talk, chat, look over some realistic goals, we could definitely put something together for you. I really hope this was helpful. Thank you so much and have a nice day.